Welcome to the Surveypal product demonstration video. This video is meant to give you a brief introduction on how the tool works. We will be going through 6 steps: navigating the home page, building a survey, designing the theme of the survey, launching and distributing a survey, analyzing the results, and closing the feedback loop. Let's get into it. When you log into Surveypal, you will land on the home page. From here, you can see a list of all surveys that you've created, surveys that have been shared with you, as well as filter surveys by keywords. By clicking on your name in the bottom left-hand corner, you can open up your control panel. This lets you sign out, view your account information, send feedback, access our help center, view more information about Surveypal, as well as chat with support. To start building a new survey, you can simply click on the Create New Survey button on the home page. You can choose to start building a survey from scratch or use one of our many pre-made templates. After choosing an option, you will be greeted by our survey builder, which allows you to edit the template or start building from scratch. All elements are totally drag and drop, and you can edit text directly on the form for easy editing. By clicking on the cogwheel icon on any given element, you can edit the settings of that element. For example, by selecting logic, you can set the survey to respond differently depending on the response to that question. Examples are skip question, skip page, go to page, as well as limit the maximum number of responses. Our design tool allows you to fully customize the look and feel of the survey. The design tool can be accessed by clicking on the Design tab when you have a survey open. From here, you can edit all colors, buttons, elements, fonts, and shapes. You can even edit background imagery of the survey. The tool allows you to cycle through views of how the survey would look on various devices, and even allows you to edit the custom CSS of the survey. You can also save themes in your theme library and adapt them to other surveys. Once you have a survey you like, you're ready for launch. Launching the survey happens by clicking on the Launch button when you have a survey open. This leads you to your distribution methods. From here, you can access your survey link, which you can edit to your liking. As well as our other distribution methods, including email invitations, SMS invitations, survey kiosks, QR codes, and survey embedding. You can also manually enter survey responses or buy responses. You can also manage integrations to other platforms from the distribution view, a topic which we will go over in a separate video. Once you begin receiving responses to the survey, you can begin viewing them in the Analyze view. The Analyze view is accessible by clicking on Analyze at the top of the screen when you have a survey open. Surveypal will automatically sort your responses and show you metrics based on the data. You can choose to view all responses or select a specific time frame from which to view the data. Based on any kind of questions or meta information you have in the survey, you can create filters to drill down on the data. For this specific survey, I want to view all responses that responded to the overall experience question with a value higher than 7. I can give my filter a name, save it, and it will pop up on the side under filters. You can export data directly from Surveypal using the Create Report tab. We support a number of different formats, including PowerPoint, Word, Excel, CSV, and SPSS. You can also create a shared access link for the Analyze view. To do this, navigate back to the home page, right-click on the survey, and select Enable Shared Access. With this, anyone with the link can access the survey data, making data sharing extremely easy. Surveypal allows you to create automations based off of submitted responses. This allows you to follow up on critical feedback in a timely manner. To create automations, navigate to the Manage view and select Automations. For my automation, I want our support team to get a notification whenever the survey receives a poor rating to the Net Promoter Score question. This allows your organization to stay up to date and to close the feedback loop.